afternoon all. Today I am showing you another important part of aptitude tricks, that is profit and loss. Showing you the shortcut methods of solving questions coming from this section in your IBPS exams. Okay, so just let's denote some particular terms we have already heard about, that is CP equal to selling price. Okay, cost price. As SP equal to selling price. So if cost price is CP and selling price is SP, then what will be the gain or profit? It will be equal to simple SP minus CP. So what we actually get? Let's a product whose cost price is 25 rupees and you are selling this 30 rupees, excluding the MRP written over the particular product. Okay, so what will be the actual profit? Profit will be rupees 5 rupees. 30 minus 25 equal to 5. That's simple formula. Now what will be the loss? It will be just reverse, equal to cost price minus selling price. Now what will be the profit percent? Profit or gain percentage equal to gain or profit into 100 by selling price. Okay, similarly loss percentage will be how much amount you have lost into 100 by cost price. Similarly, selling price will be equal to hundred plus gain percent divided by 100 into cost price. Or selling price, when gain percent or profit percent is considered. Now when the lost percent is considered, then what will be the selling price? Then selling price will be 100 minus loss percent by 100 into cost price. Got it? So selling percent you have got. Now let's get some part of this board above. So you have derived the value of selling price, the equation for selling price. Now what will be the cost price? When gain percentage is considered, cost price will be equal to $100 divided by 100 minus 100 plus gain percentage. Okay, into selling price. Okay, so cost price will be 100 by 100 plus total percent of gain or profit into the amount of the amount in which the product is already sold. Similarly, cost price, when you consider how much percent you have lost by selling the product, it will be similarly equal to 100 by 100 minus loss percentage into selling price. Hope you have got the logic from the section profit and loss. Stay tuned for more tips and shortcut methods regarding another topics in my next sessions. Thank you for this.